Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this very simple part. And this tutorial is designed for the beginner user, those who have just started learning the part modeling. So I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help this channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file, and from here I will activate the part design workbench, and from here I will create a body and then create a sketch, and we will select this top plane to create our first sketch. So here we will create a rectangle and define this dimension to 96, and vertical I will define it 64, and now I will close it, select the sketch, click on extrude and give it a 16 mm, click on OK, switch to the isometric, and now we will create this face. So for this we will select the face and click on the sketch, and we will switch to the isometric, and now here we will project this edge, and we will switch to the isometric, and we will switch to the left view, and now we will select the line tool, and create the profile. Now here is a conflict, delete it or deactivate it. Now we need it vertical. Now we will give the dimension, select this point and this point, and give the vertical dimension of 34. Select this point and this point, provide the horizontal dimension of 20, and select this point and this point and provide the vertical dimension of 30. So our sketch is fully constrained, and now we will extrude it to the 16 mm. Select the sketch, click on the extrude, select the dimension value 16 and click on the reverse, click on OK. Now you might see that this is a separate solid, but we will click on the last features, go to the refine and set it true. Now press 0. Now we will create this profile. So for this we will select this face and click on the sketch, and we will switch to the isometric and click on the project geometry and project this, and move to the front plane, and from here switch to the wireframe, and here we will create a rectangle, and now we will create a circle, and we will use the trim entities to trim it. Select the vertical and give it 26 and provide this horizontal, and this is the R12, select this and provide the value R12, and we will select horizontal dimension and provide it 40 mm, and we will select this and provide the horizontal, select this and provide the horizontal dimension of 20 mm. So our sketch is fully constrained, and now we will extrude it to the 42 mm. Press V7 for the shaded view. Select the sketch and click on the extrude, select the reverse and give it a 42, and now we will create this rib. Select the face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric, click on the projects, and we will rotate to the rear view, and now we will create a triangle, and we will create a triangular profile and close the sketch. Now click on close and select the sketch, click on the pad and select the reverse, give the value of 12 mm, click on OK, press 0, and here select the pad, go to the refine, set it true, and now we will create this slot cut. So for this we will select the face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, and now we will create a rectangle, and we will delete this line and select a 3-point arc, create an arc, select the tangent, select the tangent, and this is of 20 mm, select this and provide the dimension of 20 mm, select this and provide the vertical dimension of 24, and this slot is of 16 mm, so we will give it a 16 mm. Now close it, click on the cut, and from say it through all. Now we will provide the color, so go to the appearances, go to the shape color, and here we will give the approximate color. So this is how we have completed this model, and this tutorial is designed for the beginner user, those who have just started learning the part modeling. If you like this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help this channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. Link is given in a video description. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.